Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are doing the Home Depot Kids Workshop, Santa's Milk and Cookies tray. And we have a special guest, our Papa, here with us today.
I'm head elf.
So let's get building. Oh, and before we start, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe. So let's start.
Yeah, this is fast.
So these kits do not come already painted. We already opened ours up and spray painted them. So if you want yours already colored before you put them together, make sure to get a parent or an adult to help you do that. Now let's go ahead and separate out all of your pieces that come in your pack. What all do you have?
Okay, cool.
Instructions.
We have to need these together.
Make sure you sort out your screws and nails.
We have all nails this time. No screws. Ask Papa to help you open your nails, Elijah.
Sharpie. Okay, I'm wondering why it says Sharpie.
So this workshop will include a glue and some glue and a hammer.
Our first step says place both side pieces along the narrow edges. So get your green pieces. Those are your side edges. Papa's gonna help Elijah and Isaiah. So you're gonna get your side pieces and you're going to go ahead and face them up. Then we're going to place the bottom piece on top and make sure the edges are even. You're going to take your bottom piece and you're going to set it on top. Like this. We're going to have this side facing up with the writing. Elijah, are you watching, Papa? I'm going to put that on both sides to make sure that it's even. That's yours, Nathaniel. Hold on, Isaiah. We gotta put the glue on. Oh. You're gonna nail them together with your 6 nails. So you're gonna get 6 nails. They're all the same size.
Is there a certain way the board has to go on?
Yes, there is a side with writing, which is you're gonna have facing up. Good job, Isaiah. Use the glue, and I'll put the lid on it so it doesn't dry up. Now you're gonna go ahead and place your bottom piece on both sides, and we're gonna make them even.
Luckily I got more hammer. Daniel, you have a hammer. Nail.
Keep going. Howard, hit. There. Good. Do some more. Do some more.
Okay. Nail.
Okay.
Hold it. Yeah, do the middle
Put one
one.
in
Have it
there.
over the nails.
I put the nails in.
Yes, I'm putting it in for you.
Now that we've finished step 1, we're going to move on to step 2. It says, stand the project up on its side, so straight up, like Papa.
And do what?
Add a little glue to the top edge of the side pieces.
Okay, that's these.
So go ahead and add on the green ends, you're just going to put 2 little dots of glue.
And hammer. For more hammering.
Yep, 2 little dots.
You're just so.
Pass it down.
This is so easy.
Go ahead and place your handle on top so your glue does not dry. Take your white handle and put it on top. Isaiah, your glue right here. 2 little dots of glue. There you go. There's 1 and 2. Now take your white handle.
One of them.
One of your handles. Make sure side and bottom edges are even. Carefully nail them together with the 2 nails. Turn it over and repeat on the other handle. So you see where your 2 holes are? Isaiah, make sure you hold your nail up. Tap it in there a few more times before you let it go. Good job.
You need to be careful, right? This is pretty happy, right?
Yeah.
Because it's free, right? Free.
Two little dots.
More extra.
And wait for further instructions for everybody else to get caught up.
Now hide the nails in the paper. Since there's gonna be more stuff than usual, right? Home Depot's fun.
Hey, you got your 2 little dots of glue. Get your other handle and set it on there, Isaiah.
Well, that's it. Yeah, I made it look like it did a backflip. Oh.
You're a pro at starting your nails now, Isaiah.
Thanks. I know. This is the other part.
Now we just need to practice on getting it going straight in there.
I do.
Put yours in, Isaiah.
Yeah.
Is it going straight or is it got a mind of its own going crooked again? Now that we finished the 2nd step, we're going to move on to the 3rd step. And this is a super simple step. Carefully align and apply the sticker as shown. Now, if you're going to paint yours at home, they want you to go ahead and paint it before you add the sticker and make sure that you let it dry all the way first.
Okay.
Anybody need help getting their sticker on? Good job, Isaiah.
We're going to do it one at a time. Then we're going to pull it
This
back
is
off.
what it looks like when you're done.
So on Christmas Eve, are we going to make some cookies and everybody can decorate their own cookies and leave the little tray out for Santa?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, right by the door. Oh, we get
Now that everybody has finished their project, every kit comes with a certificate of achievement. Here's yours, Isaiah,
Ooh.
Ethaniel, and Elijah.
Ooh.
Hold that certificate of achievement up so we can see it. So there's English on the front and Spanish on the back. And with every kit, you also get a pin to put on your apron.
Yeah, we have 2 aprons. One out of the back and one at the top.
Bye everyone, thank you for watching Moe's. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, go hit that like button and hit that subscribe button